let's be cautious of that. When our child come back from the house or from the school or from the church and they complain to you about somebody pouring a sand on their eye, quickly take them to the nearest eye hospital. Don't go and do a self-medication by putting a herbal product on their sight. You end up damaging them. And remember, these young ones are our future leaders. So please, let's kindly take note on that. So before we proceed, Doc, we would love you to also throw more light about, you know, as you said, the eye is standing in front of us, and the eye plays a very vital role on the human body. Without the eye, we cannot see this beautiful place that we are even sitting here or see the beautiful creatures God has created for us. So can you throw more light by briefly describing what glaucoma is?
Okay, thank you very much. To explain what glaucoma is, I would like to use this model here. Now, this is a cross-section of the eye.
Okay.
For anyone to see, light comes from outside. This front part is the cornea, the black part, light will pass through it.
Okay.
And then behind it, we have the lens. The light will pass through and fall at the back,
okay,
which is the retina.
Okay.
And then from the back, the nerve will take it to the brain
Okay.
for the person to see.
Okay.
Inside the eye, in the front part, we have something here. We call it ciliary body. It produces water, which we call aqueous.
Aqueous.
Yes.
Okay.
The water passes here and comes out here. Passes here, comes out here. The water gives food to the tissues here. Like we also have blood in our body, from the heart to the body and back to the heart, nourishing the whole body. So it's the same. The water nourishes the front part of the eye.
Oh, I see.
But for some people, as they are growing, where the water passes to go out, that place begins to block.
Oh.
So when it begins to block, it means the water is coming, but it's not going out quickly. Okay. So the water will stagnate here and cause pressure. The pressure then will push on this structure we call the lens. Okay. The lens will push on this structure, we call it vitreous. Okay. And the vitreous will finally push on the nerve. Okay. The nerve which leaves the eye to the brain. And the nerve cells are very sensitive. When something is pushing on them, they begin to die. And when they are dying, that is what we call glaucoma. Wow. But the bad thing about it is that glaucoma is not painful and it does not itch. So when someone is getting glaucoma, the person doesn't know. Yes. Because there are no symptoms.
Exactly.
And that makes it even more dangerous. Yeah. So, and glaucoma is hereditary. Yeah. That means that if you have a relative who has glaucoma, then you also have to check your eye. And the other aspect of it is that Ghana has the highest prevalence of glaucoma in Africa.
Yes.
So if you take the whole Africa, I would say that Ghana carries the African cap. There are good caps, but not this one. This one is not the best one. Yes. So every Ghanaian, once you are past the age of 18, whether you have an eye problem or not, you have to check your eye. Because actually, no one comes to the clinic to say that I have glaucoma.
Exactly.
Most of the time, we discover glaucoma as a diagnosis of chance. Okay. Maybe someone may come to the clinic and the eye is itching, but routinely when you come to the clinic, we check your eye from the front to the back, check the pressure, and then